Sean and Tammy Durham proudly present 30 Hope Street, Beechboro. This renovated 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom family home sits on a 720 square metre block zoned R20-35 and is neat, tidy and ready for you to move into. The floor plan has plenty to offer, with a U-shaped kitchen boasting stainless steel appliances, plenty of bench and cupboard space, a double sink, gas cooktop and a large fridge recess. The king-size master bedroom has built-in robes with full-length mirrors, and the minor bedrooms are generous in size. The bathroom is spacious and includes a corner spa bath and separate shower. The open-plan living family room is spacious and has easy access to the outdoor entertaining area that overlooks the below-ground concrete pool with its own gazebo. With the double brick lock-up workshop or man cave, 10 solar panels, ducted air conditioning throughout, there is so much more to this family home that it deserves a viewing. Grab the opportunity and make this home yours today. Don't make the mistake of losing this property at a good price. All offers will be presented and treated with utmost consideration. For more information or a viewing of this one-of-a-kind property in Beechboro, call Sean on 0411 577 920 or Tammy on 0403 123 925.